I finally got the pickup truck I wanted. Let me show you the inside. Here. Oh, it's not see-through windows. Alright, let's try this then. Alright, so look what I got in the mail. Looks like it's for kids. I don't know, should I open it? You have my name on it. It's from Think Gizmos, 1/14 scale, born to climb. Built for fun, enjoy the ride. 2.4 gigahertz, high strength chucks, oversized tires. Batteries included, Rockmaster. Let's open it up, see what's inside the box. Alright, so this is all that came in. You get the remote, pickup truck, the user manual. This is kind of thank you and some ingenious machines, other products. You get batteries. Yeah, I don't think they're rechargeable. These three go here. So you get 5 batteries. They gave you enough so you could play through 2 sets of batteries. Isn't that awesome? I will buy rechargeable instead. Align it, on and off button. Alright, let me just go through it real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna try to show you how to work this. You turn it on here. This is the steering. Then forward and back, left and right. Turn it on here. So let's see how it goes. So I'm thinking it's gonna be hard to appreciate and see because it's far from the camera, so I decided to attach a camera to the pickup truck. So let's make believe we're gonna get in the back of the truck and let's go. Hold on. So it's a pretty nice truck. The tires are pretty big, so it's pretty high from the ground. This is like 2 inches of water, 3 inches. I'm just going little by little, and it is strong. It's pretty nice, being creative. So it's a pretty nice truck. It lasts, pretty well built. Made for 6 years old and older. Pretty nice. So I will give them a try. And there you go. Hey, can you subscribe to my channel, please? We'd really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my review. Pretty nice truck. Durable. Thank you for watching.